Oh, but this will be upgraded, okay? We'll get an engagement ring, get a wedding ring, and period. You know what I mean? Like, hello, you know what I mean. Hi, it's your girl Hetty Amos. Oh dear. Oh, it's your girl Hetty Amos. Hi, what's up? It's your girl Hetty Amos and welcome back to my channel. Yes, you are watching this video because you are just curious. You want to know if indeed I did my wedding makeup myself. Yes, I installed my frontal myself. You know, did the baby hairs, of which the video is also on this channel. If you have not watched it, just click the description box. You're gonna have a link to watch it. I'm just tired, okay? I've been able to vlog, but I just want you guys to just have a glance. This is not a tutorial. If you're able to learn something from it, fine. But this is how my wedding day went, especially my glamming section. I did the girls. We woke up at 4:30, took our bath, then I sat in the chair around 5:30 a.m. Did my hair by 6. I was done. Did the girls makeup by 8 or 9 o'clock. I was done with everybody and I was done. I was left with myself to finish up with my makeup. So I first did my frontal installation, which took all the time. I had a different hair for my engagement, the traditional marriage in the morning, but I was scared I wouldn't be able to meet time, especially having to come back after the engagement to install this frontal for the wedding is actually going to be, you know, a headache. So I decided to install this, but just change the style for the engagement and then use a different style for the wedding. So the lighting switching up and switching down is because the photographers were also using their lighting system, and sometimes they have to take it away, hence the extra lighting and then too much lights on me. So yeah, till the D-Day, I didn't actually know the kind of look I wanted. I knew I wanted something simple, but I wasn't really strict on this is what I really want. I chose all the colors, or everything fell in place as I was doing. Most of my brides, I don't actually calculate what I would do on them as I go. As creativity, whatever falls, it goes. And yeah, so just enjoy this video. All other videos you want to see regards to, you know, preparations and any other video regards to bridal, whatever, yeah, check the description box. You'll find other videos. And yeah, see you guys in my next video. I just want to leave you guys to just watch till end and see how effortlessly I did this makeup. I made sure I didn't stress myself. Yeah, I could have had other people doing it for me, but because of the virus and we're trying to limit the amount of people that will be coming in from other places to my side, because you know, you never know, I can't be catching the virus on my day. So we had to be only families and the only selected people. Besides, the wedding was very intimate, only 100 guests, and was strictly by invite. So inviting other people coming from elsewhere and all that, everyone there was controlled and was checked to be sure that their temperatures and we are safe. I don't want to talk much, just watch. So in the background, people trooping in and out are my girls in their shorty and whatever. So if you want to know how the day went, at the end of this video you're going to have a playlist saying the bridal series. So let me clear this. I used a darker foundation or 2 shades darker than my normal shade because I didn't want to look too light and too pale. Okay, I did some face care or skin care and my face lightened up a bit. And this is my foundation. This is what I want. I want an undertone so that if I highlight, it is not going to be too harsh or too pale on me, you understand? So I prefer going in a 2 shade darker than my face shade right now, so that I highlight, even if I go overboard with the highlighting, I'm still not going to look pale. I hope you understand, but this is how I want it. See you guys in my next video.
We can't be torn apart.
but this will be upgraded, okay? We'll get an engagement ring, get a wedding ring, and period. You know what I mean? Like, hello. You know what I mean? Oh dear. Oh, it's your girl Hetty. Amen. Adesso. Looking like a chick, please.
The time is going, so let's
Like, are you serious?
Okay.
Oh.
More than lovers, destined to find one another. Like light in a thunder, can't have one without the other.
Hi, it's your girl Hetty.